to be here working in the yard. Right, Toby? What are you snipping? Are you eating grass? Are you eating grass, Toby? Toby, what are you eating? Is that better than your food? It's fresh and organic. It's a salad. Toby? Oh, bummer. The water's all over the ground. Oh no. Overflowing. Toby, how come you didn't tell Tyler? Toby? The grass needs to be more. I need to tell Tyler, huh? There's a lot of weeds here. I'm gonna pull this out. This is too much. What? Can you imagine? This is a lot of grass here growing. It's not good. Too much. We are falling here. Yeah. Oh, baby boy, what happened here? A lot of weeds. What happened here, Toby? You're not cleaning while you are home. You're supposed to work here. Toby, oi. What happened, Toby? Agoy, wa na, nag-deposit na kadiha. Nag-deposit na kadiha, Toby, ha? Of you, please say you love me too. These 3 words. Take it away. Boy, I think you did you step on this flower? What happened in this, Toby? I think you smashed the flower, Toby. Oh, look at this. Oh, Toby, you're naughty. Don't step on this flower. Look at this. You're not supposed to come in here, Tube. Tube! What you doing? You're messing up. Daghan kayong ano man eh. Just call the weed. You. Like this, I think this is from outside. What is this? Tube, don't step on that flowers there. Don't. I have beans here. I have string beans here, but I don't know where is the. I plant some okra here. We'll see.